Good morning, students. In our previous class, we have solved only 2 questions of lesson 4 of your main course book. Now, we are on question number 3. And question number 3 is, explain the symbiotic relation that exists between the clownfish and the sea animal. In my previous classes, already discussed what is clownfish and what is animals. So, look the answers. The symbiotic relationship between the clownfish and the sea animals, because they protect each other from predatory animal which look like a beautiful flower. I have told you earlier, in coral reef, there are so many plants and have flowers also, and they are predatory. So, clownfish make relations with animals and eat these type of plants to be free, either swim or move. Okay? Now we'll see the question number 4. Now, dear students, we will see the 4th question of saving time. And 4th question is question number 4 of B. The question is, how are clownfish dash different from regal blue tang parrot? Clownfish के dash regal blue tang के पैरेंट से कैसे अलग है? The answer is, the clownfish that do watch over the eggs. The clownfish that do watch for eggs and find them. क्लाउनफिश के जो डैड हैं वो अंडे की देखभाल बेहतरी से करते हैं, अच्छी तरह से करते हैं, फैनिंग करते हैं ताकि वो लाइव रहे, जिंदा रहे. विच कीप द एनिमल्स क्लीन, और साथ ही साथ वो अपने आसपास के सराउंडिंग को भी क्लीन करते हैं ताकि उनके एग्स को कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. ऑन अदर हैंड, regal blue tang's parents are kind. वो भी दयालु होते हैं. regal blue tang के पेरेंट नर्चरिंग भी होते हैं, देखभाल भी करते हैं, but the parent don't care their young. लेकिन उनकी केयर नहीं करते. The young one of regal blue tang will floated with the current of water. पानी के साथ, पानी के तेज बहाव के साथ रियल ब्लू टैंक के बच्चे बह जाते हैं. And they totally depend upon themselves for their food, for their survival, for their life. So, these are the difference between two dads. I hope you understand what I am saying. Thank you. Now, question number 5 of D. The question number 5 is, why is an aquarium not suitable for a regal blue tank? When I was teaching this chapter, I told you what's the problem of real blue tank with aquarium. Real blue tank is not suitable for aquarium because an aquarium is not suitable for a real blue tank. Why? Because they unlike the clownfish. क्लाउनफिश से वो बिल्कुल अलग थे, अलग हैं. Their nature is not as same as clownfish. That's why they cannot be bred in captivity. This is the difference between clownfish and real blue tank. Even clownfish, there are so many types of clownfish. Some are affordable for this environment, some are not. But the real blue tang is totally unaffordable for this climate, for this world, for out of water, for out of sea. So this is the difference.